Could you tell me one example?
Like he is running. Running is the verb.
Yeah, right. And now?
In noun there are play. There is place. There are how many nouns are there? The name of the noun: place, person, place, thing, animal, emotion or idea.
Yeah. Like abstract noun is there, common noun, proper noun.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's good. You know all of them. And what is preposition? Just a little bit could you tell?
Preposition is like behind, under, beneath. For example, I am the what we say. I am beneath the earth.
Yes, right. Before position is preposition.
Yes, ma'am. That's
Okay.
it.
And what about conjunction?
Conjunction.
Yeah.
Conjunction is a thing what we say.
Joining word.
Yes, ma'am. Joining word. And is, for example.
Yes, right. Join. It joins two words.
Yes, it joins to verb.
Ritika and Arpita. So and is conjunction.
Yes, and is joining the words.
Yeah, good. You know. And what about article?
Article. There are three type of article. What we say, the, a and n is the we call a and n.
The.
Indefinite of the is called indefinite article, and a and n called. There is we say a and n some. What is it?
Okay, no need to say what type of articles. You just know a and the, that's enough. Okay. So, and what are the vowels?
Ma'am, vowels.
Vowels. Yeah.
A, E, I, O, U.
Good. You know everything. Bravo. So, do you have any English teacher like a private tutor?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, who taught all of this? Like your parents or your school?
My parents, my father taught.
Oh. Okay. So, do you have any private tutor, like any teacher do you have who teaches you subject?
This subject. In school,
No, any other subject?
any other subject like English in school. Sometimes our ma'am teach grammar. Not every day, but sometimes.
Okay, and what about other geography, history, and other subjects? Who teaches? Like, do you have teacher?
Not history, science, not these subject. English, Hindi, Marathi, and maths and computer art. These subject only.
Okay. So, for any private tutor, do you have for computer, Hindi, Marathi, or you learn at home only by yourself?
My father helped me to learn because I am learning Marathi.
Huh? Okay. Oh, your father only guides you. Like you don't have any. You don't go to for tuition classes, right?
Yes, ma'am. I don't go to tuition classes.
Oh. Okay, that's good. So Marathi is your first language, no?
No, ma'am. Hindi is my first language.
Okay, Marathi you are learning. So how is Marathi?
I think Marathi is quite hard for me.
Okay. Why do you think so?
Because I cannot read the words. What like some. Ma'am, do you know Marathi?
No, I don't know. I know Bengali, Hindi, English, and Punjabi. I can understand. I can speak little bit. Spanish, I am learning little.
Okay, ma'am.
Urdu, I can understand, and little bit I can speak.
So, ma'am, what What did you say?
Urdu.
Urdu.
Urdu is a language, Muslim people. Yeah, Assalamu alaikum, walaikum salam, Janab. Like little bit like similar to Hindi, but little bit difference is there. Urdu.
Okay.
So Marathi, how much? Can you speak Marathi?
No, ma'am, I cannot speak Marathi.
Okay. Can you tell me that my name is Ritika in Marathi?
Like we call it like something. माझा नाव रितिका लोधी आहे.
Oh, माझे नाव Ritika Lodi. Oh, that's good. So it's been how many months or years that you are learning Marathi?
I'm learning right now.
How many days it has become?
I think 2 days or 3.
Only 2 or 3 days. Like I mean to say, from which class you are having Marathi as a subject?
Third class. Third and all the classes. First, second, third, fourth. All the class has Marathi subject.
Okay, so from first grade till what grade you have Marathi?
Fourth.
So this will be the last year of learning Marathi.
Yes, I'm learning Marathi now.
The 4th class will be the last year. From 5th class, do you have Marathi as a subject?
I really don't know. I will see later when I will be in 5th class if I have.
Oh, okay. All right. Did you go to school today?
Yes, ma'am, I went and I have just arrived from school. On 12 o'clock I arrived.
At 12 o'clock.
At 12 o'clock.
Remember earlier I told you when you were talking about time?
Yes.
1 p.m. whatever,
At
it's
12
preposition.
o'clock.
Say?
Nothing else. So
You wanted to say something.
I was saying I arrive at 12 o'clock.
Correct. Okay. So how many periods do you have at school?
8 period.
Okay. Each for 45 minutes?
45 or I don't know. So I think my timetable is
I think it would be each period for 30 minutes, I guess.
yes. Ma'am, you're right.
Okay. So what all the classes you have, like it was taken at your school, all the classes?
Not today because our exam is going on.
Okay. Which subject?
English.
How did that go?
It was quite good. In the test they were asking about pronoun, adjective, noun and other.
Okay. So how much marks it was? Out of how?
6. All of the 6. So in we must get 40.
Total how much the paper was?
Ma'am, what?
It was the exam of how much? The marks?
40 marks.
40 marks. Okay. So did you attend all?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You attended all. So how many you will be getting it right?
I don't know when the result will be out. We will see how much I got.
Okay. But still you just guess that. What do you think? How your performance was?
Okay, now I will check, ma'am, if my math is correct or wrong.
Oh. All right. And all the exams are over, or you have any more exams?
All exams are over.
Oh wow! That's why you are going to play today.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, party hard. So after coming from fair, what is it?
After coming from fair, so what will I do? I'm not quite sure. I think I will read a book and then go out with my friends, with my sister.
Okay. Alright. So the book will be textbook or storybook?
Ma'am, this book. My book. Textbook.
Textbook. What subject it is?
It is English.
Oh.
Reflection.
Science?
Reflection.
So it must be the subject science, isn't it?
No, ma'am, it's not subject of science. It's about stories.
Oh, story name is reflection. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Alright. So, tell me something more.
Mass,